With the rise of so many incredible AI tools all around us, it could not be a better time for you to build a profitable side hustle from the comfort of your own home. I have 5 realistic AI side hustle ideas for you, each of which can earn at least $5,000 per month or more. What you need to do is pick just one and take consistent and focused action to build it. Imagine having an extra $5,000 or even $10,000 a month in your bank account and how that can affect your life. Now, let's address the elephant in the room first, because you might have already dabbled into some AI tools trying to figure out how they can make you money. Because you've probably seen many other content creators promise you that you can make millions by simply downloading an AI tool and making it do all the work for you. That's not how it works. If you take anything from this video, it's this. Don't use AI as your replacement. Use it as an assistant. No matter what side hustle you choose, you still need to put in some work to make it profitable. I'm going to go through these ideas a little quickly for you in this video, so let me know in the comments below which ones you want me to cover in detail in a future tutorial. Let's jump into the first side hustle you can start today with the help of AI, which is selling personalized notebooks. And the perfect marketplace to sell these on is Etsy. Take this shop, for example, that has made almost 40,000 sales selling personalized planners and journals where the customer can request the name they want on the front cover. They have generated over $1.4 million in revenue, bringing in about $18,000 per month. Personalized items sell the most on Etsy because people who are shopping there are typically looking for gifts that are unique, handmade, or can be customized. Here's another shop that also sells personalized notebooks where the name can be customized on the front cover, with many variations of pretty patterns and floral graphics, and they're generating over $10,000 a month. With the help of AI, you can generate similar pattern designs for your notebook covers by using easy text-to-image generators that offer high-quality images based on your prompt. I recommend using Kittl for this because you can customize the style of pattern you want, and you can download all your graphics at high resolution. Kittl is a graphic design software that is super easy to use. They have a huge library of graphics and fonts that you can use in your products, and they have an AI feature that generates images based on the prompts you give it. I've partnered with them to give you a full 30 days of their Pro plan entirely for free to test it out for yourself. Just use the link below with code SandraJuly. This offer is only valid for 7 days, so make sure to grab it before it expires. So you would just start a new artboard and pick the size of your design. I'll just select A4 for this example, and click on the Kittl AI icon at the bottom left here. This is where you can choose the style of artwork you want. In this case, I'm creating a pattern style, so I'll try Baroque, and in the prompt box, I'll type in pink roses, lilies, and green leaves on light blue background. And this is the pattern it generated for me, which I personally really like. If you don't like your first image, you can change the prompt or even just generate the same one again to see what the AI feature gives you. These are some of the patterns that Kittl generated for me using the same prompt. Expand your graphic to cover the whole artboard and add in your customization that you'll offer in your shop. In this case, I'm just adding a rectangular element with some text, letting them know that they can customize the name on the front cover. Then save this image as a JPEG or PNG file by going to download on the top right. You can then use a free print-on-demand company like Printify that will create the custom notebook, package it, and deliver it to your customer so that you don't actually have to manage any of the inventory yourself. Now, there are great step-by-step tutorials on YouTube that walk you through exactly how to sell custom products on Etsy using Printify. And I'm happy to also provide a detailed tutorial on this, so if you're interested, let me know below. But basically, you would integrate your Etsy shop with Printify, which I show how to do in this video here. I will link that down below for you. This way, whenever you get a sale from Etsy, Printify gets notified. You would create an Etsy listing with your mock-up images. These are just the mock-ups I saved from Printify when I put my design on their notebook. You can get mock-ups from many other websites. And add a personalization box that allows the customer to write out the name that they want on their book. So it would look like this when you've published your listing. On Printify, under your store setup preferences, you would select manual so that when a customer orders a personalized planner from your Etsy shop, shop, you can add their personalization and manually fulfill the custom order within Printify. Since the design was so quick and easy to create in Kittl, you can create multiple variations and patterns and repeat this process to have many different personalized notebooks in your shop, similar to the other really successful shops on Etsy. The next idea is completely different from the rest, depending on how you want to leverage AI to make extra income. And that's offering YouTube support services to YouTubers that are looking for virtual assistants. Every YouTuber has a long task list to go through before publishing a video. They need to do research to come up with content ideas, brainstorm thumbnail designs, come up with captivating titles for their videos, and write video scripts. Many channels have a whole team that helps to produce and publish each video, or at least a virtual assistant that helps put everything together. Now, with the help of ChatGPT, which is a very smart chatbot created by OpenAI, you could offer all these services to YouTubers that need your help. ChatGPT has a free version that you can sign up for using your email, and you can ask it to generate YouTube content ideas for very niche YouTube channels, come up with catchy video titles, and even write out full video scripts for each idea. Being a YouTuber myself that does not have the time to complete all these tasks on my own, even with the help of AI, I have a virtual assistant that does some of the work for me, and they are using AI along with their own research and skill to compile ideas for me on a regular basis. So basically, ChatGPT is my assistant's assistant because they still have to do some of the work. So find YouTubers that you would love to work with and pitch your offer in an email, letting them know exactly how you can be an asset to their brand by saving them a lot of time. And a bonus tip here, you can use ChatGPT to draft your email where you can go in and tweak it as you like before you send it out. Moving on to the next profitable side hustle that you can build with the help of AI, which is self-publishing books. I've created a few videos walking you through how to publish low content and medium content books on Amazon KDP using a super helpful and affordable tool called BookBolt. Some examples of these would be planners, journals, activity books, and coloring books. I will link my step-by-step tutorials on how to use BookBolt and upload books to Amazon down below, since I will not be going into too much depth in this video, but coloring books are really popular and profitable on Amazon, especially if you can offer designs that are completely unique to your competitors. This basic coloring book, for example, is selling 686 units on average every month at a price of $5.95, which equates to about $4,000 a month in revenue for just this one book. To create unique and beautiful images for your coloring book, you can use Midjourney, which is another text-to-image generator. In order to use Midjourney, you will have to join their Discord and subscribe to one of their plans, which I believe their basic plan is more than enough for this. To generate coloring pages, you would type in /imagine, and for this example, I wanted to create a unicorn coloring book, so I typed out a cute unicorn children coloring page. Then I added AR810. That's to change the aspect ratio because I want the book to be vertical as opposed to a square, and Midjourney creates square images by default. Midjourney will then take your prompt and generate some beautiful images that you can use in your coloring books. If you struggle with generating exactly what you want with your prompts, PromptBase is super helpful for finding prompts that you can purchase from other creators that have mastered exactly what to type in to achieve these specific images. This also works for ChatGPT if you want to improve your prompts there as well. Now, what I would do is upscale the images I like. That's what the U stands for here. It stands for upscale, and download them to my computer. I would then use BookBolt to create my books for Amazon KDP because it is super easy to use and follows all the dimensions that KDP requires. They also have a library of stock images, graphics, and fonts that you can use if you want to add more to your book. I have a free trial of BookBolt. If you wanted to test it out for yourself, I'll leave the link below for you. You can bring in the images you generated from Midjourney and create a whole coloring book from scratch that you can upload to Amazon KDP for free. I will actually be providing a full tutorial on creating and selling coloring books on Amazon KDP very soon, so be sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss that. The next AI side hustle might be the easiest one from all these options, and that is selling mugs. Using this Etsy keyword research tool, Marmalade, that helps me find products that are less saturated, I came up with these mug ideas: cactus mugs, yoga mugs, and corgi mugs. If you want to try Marmalade for free to do your own research on other less saturated products, I'll leave the free trial link below for you. These designs have very high search volume and low competition on Etsy, and with the help of AI, we can generate multiple graphics for our mugs on Kittl, upload the designs to a print-on-demand platform like Printify, and market them to drive traffic to our shop. I created this design in a previous video that I will link down below, where I show you how to create AI stickers from scratch. I used the Kittl AI feature, selected the kawaii clip art style, and typed in a corgi to generate many corgi images. Then I used Kittl's element library to add in the heart and some text. So I'm going to use this exact design and just place it on a mug on Printify and upload it to my Etsy shop. Since this is not a personalized item like the notebooks we talked about, you can set up Printify to allow them to automatically create and deliver the mugs when customers purchase them from your Etsy shop. So this will be more of a passive income stream for you. I'll be doing a full detailed tutorial on my channel on how to create and sell AI mugs as well, so stay tuned for that. Switching gears again, you can use ChatGPT to help you in creating and selling educational ebooks online. This is where you really need to look at ChatGPT as an assistant rather than the sole creator of your ebook. Ideally, you choose a topic that you have some knowledge in so that you can add your own tweaks to it, your own style, and ensure that all the information is correct. So for example, I am currently creating an ebook on how to sell digital products on Etsy as a new seller, but I hate writing. Sometimes I have all the knowledge I need, but I can't figure out how to conceptualize it and put it into words that can form a full book. So I would use ChatGPT to help me come up with titles for my ebook, ideas on sections to include, how to write out my introduction, and even help me completely rewrite paragraphs when I'm not happy with the way it sounds. As you're doing this, have a Word document open where you can copy and paste the information that ChatGPT gives you. This way, you can have a full and organized outline of your ebook, and you can tweak, revise, and add to the information as you go. I'm currently using Canva to put my ebook together, but you can use whichever software you're comfortable with to create yours and offer it as a PDF file. How you sell your ebook is completely up to you, whether you want to have your own website and use social media to create content and drive traffic to it. I'm currently using Koji, which is a link in bio app that allows you to sell digital products for free right from your social media account. Since this was more of an ideas video where we go through the list fairly quickly, let me know in the comments which ones you'd like me to cover in more detail in future videos. Don't forget to sign up for the free 30-day Kittl Pro plan using the link down below and code Sandra July at checkout. Again, this offer is only valid for the next 7 days. You can head over to this video next where I show you how to create and sell AI stickers from scratch. So I'll see you there.